umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Barbie Forteza from GMA7. Maraming salamat po ulit sa Anak TV Awards sa patuloy na pagkilala po sa aking trabaho at sa paniniwalang magandang ehemplo po ako sa ating mga kabataan. I would also like to thank GMA Network and Sparkle dahil sa patuloy na pagbibigay sa akin ng proyektong napaka-importante at napakagandang mapanood ng mga kabataan katulad ng Maria Clara at Ibarra at Pulang Araw. Maraming salamat po. At syempre sa aking mga magulang, thank you so much for raising me right. At ngayon na I get to share my influence and hopefully I get to inspire a lot of young people. And ako po, in return, patuloy ko pong gagamitin ang aking platform at profession to encourage ang ating mga kabataan to be good and to do good. Thank you so much.
Next is Bel Mariano.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Unang-una, thank you Anak TV for this recognition. I'm truly humbled. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually an ate of 4 younger children, and children are really close to my heart. So I will continue to do my best to show everyone that I'm gonna inspire the younger generation, that I can set a good example because children are really close to my heart. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Congratulations, Bel Mariano. And next up is Shaira Diaz.
Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Anak TV. Pangalawang beses ko na po na makatanggap ng parangal na ito at nakakataba po sa puso dahil patuloy niyo po akong pinagkakatiwalaan at sinusuportahan at dahil po dyan, dahil po sa paniniwala niyo ay patuloy ko pong pagbubutihin ng aking trabaho at patuloy na magiging magandang impluwensya sa kabataan. Naalala ko po, sabi niyo kanina na lahat tayo ay ilaw. Naalala ko na parang nung mga bata pa tayo, no, nakakamiss lang yung mga panahon na habang naglalaro tayo sa kalye, nung walang mga gadgets pa noon, tatakbo tayong excited pumasok sa ating mga tahanan para manood ng mga paborito nating shows. Katulad ng mga Art Attack at yung mga child-friendly shows. No? So sana po, gaya ng sabi ni Ma'am Elvira, lahat po tayo ay gumawa ng mas maganda pa at mas maraming pangbata na mga shows katulad ng I Believe po ng GMA. Kung gusto nyo matuto about science and everything in between and beyond, naku po, ang ganda po ng aming programa na yun at sana po suportahan niyo po yun. At yes, patuloy po tayong maging magandang ehemplo sa mga kabataan po. Gusto ko lang din po sana i-dedicate itong award na to sa asawa ko, si EA, at sa pamilya ko. At syempre maraming salamat din GMA Network, Sparkle Family and ELV Talents Family sa patuloy na paniniwala at sa pagsuporta niyo po sa akin. Maraming salamat po and everyone, let's be kind every day. Thank you so much po.
We have more female Makabara stars to award, but unfortunately, the following female Makabara stars are not available today to receive their awards. They are Aya Arceta.
Hi, this is Aya, and I'd like to say thank you so much to Anak TV for choosing me as one of the Makabata Stars awardees. Thank you so much. I'm grateful and blessed for it. And this recognition allows me to keep doing my best to be an inspiration to the youth and to everyone who believes in me. Thank you so much for all the love and support, not just for me, but also for my group, Beanie. And congratulations to all the other awardees. I hope we continue making a difference together.
Congratulations, Aya. And next up is Melay Cantiveros.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Daghang kayong salamat o kamsahamnida sa Anak TV Awards for granting me this award na Female Makabata Awards. Kahit naman makatanda yung mukha ngayon. Pero talaga namang binigyan niyo po ako ng opportunity na makareceive ng award na ito. Maraming salamat po from the bottom of my liver and my kidney. I love you so much. Pasensya na po, hindi po ako makadalo ngayon to receive my award. Pero po talaga namang gusto ko po talaga ng award na ito. Dahil po meron po akong ginagawang trabaho lang po ngayon. Sana po sa susunod ay makadalo po ako. Ay, gusto pa rin maraming awards. Kaya naman, ingat po kayo, good luck, and more powers po sa Anak TV Awards.
All right. We have Ashton Olviga.
Gabby Garcia.
Lenny Robredo.
And last is Liza Soberano. May we request the female Makabata stars to step forward for a photo op.
Thank you once again to our female Makabata stars. A round of applause to our Anak TV female Makabata stars. And congratulations to our very own Ate Ira.
Yun. Maraming salamat, Joshua. And at this point, joining Miss Go on stage is one of Anak TV board members, Ambassador Minda Cruz.
Apart from naming the TV personalities that they deem as good models for their children, participants in the symposiums that we held nationwide